Imagine waking up to find an extra $10,000 in your bank account. Not just once, but every single month. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, buckle up because I'm about to show you how this dream is becoming a reality for savvy entrepreneurs leveraging the power of AI. Did you know that by 2025 the AI market is projected to reach a staggering $190 billion? That's not just a number, it's an opportunity. An opportunity that's knocking on your door right now. Intrigued? You should be. So, ditch the coffee and the all-nighters because we're about to break down this revolutionary process step by step. Step 1. Unleash the power of AI storytelling. Stories are the lifeblood of any successful business. They capture attention, build trust, and ultimately drive sales. But who has time to craft a masterpiece, right? Enter ChatGPT, your AI writing buddy. This incredible tool can generate unique and engaging stories based on just a few prompts you provide. Want a heartwarming tale about a dog who saves Christmas? ChatGPT has you covered. Need a suspenseful thriller that keeps viewers on the edge of their seats? No problem. By feeding the AI specific prompts, you can steer the narrative away from cliches and ensure your story stands out in a crowded online space. Here's the beauty of it all. ChatGPT helps you overcome writer's block and get those creative juices flowing. You don't need to be a Hemingway or a Shakespeare to craft a compelling story. Simply provide some basic information about your target audience and the message you want to convey, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. This frees you up to focus on the bigger picture, the core concept or product you're trying to sell. Step 2. Bring your story to life with stunning AI art. Okay, you've got a captivating story, now it's time to bring it to life. But forget about expensive animation software or spending hours learning complex programs. We'll use Leonardo AI to generate stunning images that perfectly capture the essence of your story. Imagine breathtaking landscapes, relatable characters, and eye-catching visuals that will leave your viewers wanting more. The coolest part? You can choose a stunning three-dimensional animation style for that extra wow factor. Gone are the days of flat, lifeless graphics. With Leonardo AI, you can create professional-looking videos that will have viewers glued to their screens. Step 3. Breathe life into your images with AI animation. Now comes the magic. We'll take those breathtaking images generated by Leonardo AI and transform them into fluid animations with Lipix. This AI tool lets you fine-tune the animation style for each scene, adding depth and dynamism to your video. Imagine characters coming alive, objects moving seamlessly, and transitions that flow effortlessly. Lipix gives you the power to create a truly immersive experience for your viewers. Step 4. Find your voice with AI audio. Every great story needs a powerful voice. But, voiceovers can be expensive, and finding the right narrator can be a time-consuming process. Here's where 15. A paid AI voice generator steps in. Choose the perfect voice for your story from a vast library of options. Whether you need a soothing narrator, a funny commentator, or a dramatic storyteller, 15. AI has you covered. The best part? 15. AI uses artificial intelligence to generate realistic-sounding voices that will leave your viewers believing you hired a professional voice actor. This not only saves you money, but also allows you to experiment with different voices and find the perfect fit for your brand. Step 5. Polish your masterpiece with AI editing. You've got your story, your stunning visuals, and your captivating voiceover. Now it's time to make it shine. We'll use CapCut, an easy-to-use editing app, to combine all the elements into a cohesive and polished video. Here's where the fun begins. CapCut becomes your digital playground. Think of it like having a Hollywood editing suite condensed into a user-friendly app. You can add captions to ensure your video is accessible to everyone, including viewers with hearing impairments. Feeling fancy? Throw in some royalty-free music to set the mood and enhance the emotional impact of your story. Want to add some pizzazz? CapCut offers a library of cool effects and transitions that will make your video pop. Imagine smooth scene changes, dynamic zoom-ins, and eye-catching text overlays. Exporting your way to success. Once you're happy with your masterpiece, it's time to unleash it on the world. CapCut allows you to export your video in high-resolution format, up to 4K. Think crystal clear visuals that will impress even the most discerning viewers. Upload your creation to YouTube, the world's second-largest search engine, and get ready to watch your viewership and income soar. The AI advantage: building your empire faster and smarter. Think about it. This entire process can be done in under 10 minutes, freeing you up to focus on the things that truly matter: strategy, promotion, and scaling your business. No more spending hours learning complex software or hiring freelancers for tasks that can be automated. AI takes care of the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on the big picture building your online empire. But wait, there's more. This is just a glimpse into the vast potential of AI for entrepreneurs. The world of AI is teeming with tools waiting to supercharge your business. From generating marketing copy that converts visitors into customers to managing customer service inquiries with chatbots, AI can be your partner in entrepreneurial domination. Imagine churning out targeted social media posts with the help of AI writing tools, analyzing customer data to gain valuable insights, or even creating personalized product recommendations for your audience, all powered by AI. The possibilities are endless. The future is now. Embrace AI and watch your business take flight. The days of the lone wolf entrepreneur are fading. AI is the ultimate wingman, automating tasks, boosting productivity, and freeing you to be the visionary leader you were meant to be. So, ditch the outdated notion of the struggling entrepreneur. With AI by your side, you can build a thriving business that allows you to live life on your own terms. Embrace the power of AI and join the Kingdom Cash revolution. Here at Kingdom Cash, we're all about empowering you to build a successful and fulfilling business. The world of AI might seem intimidating at first, but trust us, it's easier than ever to get started. There are countless resources available online, from tutorials and guides to communities of AI enthusiasts. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of AI and watch your business dreams take flight. Remember, Kingdom Cash fam, kindness, humility, and generosity are the cornerstones of a truly successful empire. As your business flourishes, use your platform to make a positive impact on the world. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks for building your empire. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we drop more game-changing business ideas. And hey, if you're serious about taking your side hustle to the next level, check out our exclusive resources and courses down there too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.